how to fix 6-digit code on your Facebook. So all what you have to do to receive the code is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone, go to Facebook, click here on force stop, click on storage, and then click on clear data. And after that, all what you have to do is retry again, and the problem is gonna be solved. if it didn't if it didn't fix it, then all what you have to do is make sure that the phone number you have put it on Facebook is correct, or the SIM card is not expired yet. So yeah, that's it guys. It's very easy to make sure all those things are in the right, so you can receive the code. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.